Who would have thought that the animal we often see in our backyards is a direct descendant of dinosaurs? Scientific evidence shows that modern birds, including chickens, evolved from a group of theropod dinosaurs. Theropods were carnivorous dinosaurs that roamed the Earth millions of years ago. Fossil studies reveal striking similarities in bone structure between chickens and dinosaurs like velociraptors. Some of these dinosaurs even had feathers, just like birds. Chickens still carry dinosaur traces in their DNA. In fact, genetic experiments have shown the possibility of reactivating ancient traits, such as teeth. So, the next time you see a chicken, remember, you're looking at a small piece of dinosaur evolution history.